Good Wednesday afternoon. It is August 30th. I'd like to start off by saying welcome to all the new subscribers. Yes, we're getting a little growth spurts here and there. Thank you very much. And thank you as well to the continued supporters of the channel. So, that being said, this weekend I'm supposed to be at Silk Hope, North Carolina. Tractor show, farm days, however you want to, harvest festival. So anyway, I plan on staying for the tractor pulls, weather permitting. So anyway, today we're going to try and get some of this grass away from my collard plants. The ones in the middle, I will use manual labor for that, but the rest of it, I'm going to use red power. So that's it. Let's go on and get the tractor fired up and get rid of some of this grass. Let's do it. I'd say it's really dusty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to be in a little bit more control because I need to get this little short area and then that area right there. So we're going to pause here, and once I'm done with that, then we'll come back. So stay tuned for that. Okay, well, it looks a lot better than it did, and it certainly looks better than the tractor. I'm not kidding, it is dusty out here and it's all over the tractor. So we're going to grab the hose pipe and give the Super C a quick bath before I put it back in the shop, and hopefully I can get all this done before it rains, and I'll come back through here with the hoe and get the rest of this stuff out. But the majority of it is done, so I'm happy with that. I know it's kind of a short video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returned viewer, welcome back. And if you're a first time viewer, please hit the little subscribe button and get us on up there. So promote the channel, help me out. So anyway, but regardless, thank you for tuning in. Whether you're new or returning or whatever, thank you. And hopefully if you're around Silcoke, North Carolina this weekend, like I said, come up and say, hey, love to meet you. Have a great weekend, or great evening rather, and we'll see you Saturday. Have a good one.